Good evening. This is Sage Hathaway here. So I did not do the video about my new Smith & Wesson Model 90 handcuffs here, the older version. These are the older version right here. As you can see, these are thicker metal than your newer ones, and these weigh about a pound at least. So these Smith & Wesson Model 90 handcuffs are the heavier quality steel. So these are the Smith & Wesson Model 90 handcuffs here. And yeah. So these are the brand new handcuffs here, the ones I got from eBay. So these cuffs here are very heavy quality, and these are really good cuffs here because so your suspect can't escape from these kind of handcuffs here, like your hold on, that's my phone, like your pink color coded handcuffs here. Well, these are for smaller people. These kind of handcuffs here, these furry tactical chain handcuffs. Let's take a look inside real quickly in here. As you can see, that's your moving part. Take a look again. Best we can here. Alrighty. So these are your smaller handcuffs right here. These are just for smaller people who can't fit into a pair of Model 90 Smith & Wesson handcuffs here. And my friend Shane Cody from the Farmington Police has the same Model 90 handcuffs here, same pair as mine. Okay, let's take a look inside in these handcuffs. Let's take a look in here. Okay, so you can see that. There we go. Sorry. This is your keyhole here, and this is your push pin double lock. You just take your key here and just stick it in the hole. And you just push it in like that. And that's how you double lock your handcuffs here. And then you just take your key, stick her in, watch for the click, like that. And then you can release the handcuff open. Then your cuff is unlocked. Then you can unlock the cuffs again. Alrighty, so, and, well, this was my handcuff video about Smith & Wesson Model 90 handcuffs. If you need more information, go to ebay.com. When I upload this video to YouTube, I will put the link in the description so that way you know where you can find them. And thank you, have a good evening.